Oh my god. What is this? Black hole.
You're making a black hole. Maybe we can get rid of our rubbish into it?
That's horrid.
It's so dark, look at it.
Ooh.
Please stop.
With a broom. I don't know. Well, the black hole is gone, guys. Good job.
I don't know who just picked up the fucking body from the box because you
sorry.
threw out 5 cans at the same time.
I'm sorry. Should've just left it to you.
Like that, right? My feet are clean now. What is that?
What?
Oh, nothing. I Octo. Oh.
Stop it. Stop terrorizing Octo. You're supposed to have a good time. Leave alone.
Having fun on the shift.
Fun in my work environment.
Never.
Octo,
Not really.
you need your weekly cleaning. I just need a clean bucket, please.
Go and get one then.
Okay.
Just stop it, Fred. Fred,
Yeah,
can
me
you send some
too.
buckets up here, please?
Sorry?
I need some buckets up here.
Oh, hang on.
ASAP. Oh, it's nice for you though. There's like some rocks and some grass. Some trees. What are you doing over there? Stop throwing boxes at Octave. I can see you doing it. Stop it. Do something helpful. Get some buckets.
Okay.
Full buckets.
Leia! Your fucking footsteps.
It's just... I don't know how you managed to
you're the
find blood
worst.
wherever you...
What is this at the...
Where's the crybaby?
Do it all.
Octo, I have a dirty
Octo,
bucket.
Octo's the crybaby.
Oh,
Was that intro? Oh my god, it was Fred!
What? Why is there so much... When I left this area it was clean. Why is it just getting... It's gotten worse from nothing.
It's because I'm cleaning.
What are you cleaning? It was clean when I...
Look
Where have
at
you
the
found
bed.
this
Look
mess?
at this bed.
Hang on, I gotta get rid of these buckets. Oh.
Fred, I have another bucket for you. Here you go.
Oh,
Here you go, Fred.
sake.
There you go.
Oh.
Getting quite knuckles at the moment.
Octo, here's a limb.
Hang on, there's a bit of a situation.
What's the situation now? Stop attacking Octo with buckets. man.
I'm not anymore.
You...
Who left?
Yeah, I feel like
Oh,
if you hold
God
it,
has
it
left the
works
chat.
way better. Like, look, you can't knock it over.
What if you what?
Oh!